What's up guys? Nandito ako ulit, si pareng Roger. Nandito ako sa SM Mega Mall GBO Philippines for the second time. Okay, so check natin kung may mga bago silang stuff, mga bagong gashapon. Let's go! Alright, so yun, bago yung nandun. Di ako familiar kung anong mga, kung ano yun, di ko alam. So dito, may nadagdag kasi before, ito, Mazda, bago to. Bago to dito. Bago. Wait, let me finish this first. So itong section na to ay tawag fancy. Mga Dragon Balls. Sa Pokemon display nila, sa tingin ko nadagdagan. Ng Armor Rouge at Cerulege. Yeah. So ito yung ano, sa pinakaharap. So dito sa left side, dito yung mga Shinchan. And sa category, it's kids. Okay? Yan, yung mga Shinchan. So kung fan kayo ng Shinchan, dito yon. Natanggal yung sapatos mo. You found what? Lucario?
Yeah, Mega Lucario.
Meron din silang Mahjong dito.
I found Gengar.
Gengar? Where? Wait. Let me finish this first. Oh yeah, so dito yung mga Pokemon. Oh yeah, that's a Mega Lucario, right?
Wait, so big.
Yeah. How much? I mean, 5 tokens? Yeah.
Oh, there's still more here. Ramen.
Yeah.
Juice. Look, this fountain.
Yeah. Daming tao, as in, sobrang saya dito. So, I guess dito yung mga Disney, Looney Tunes, Tom and Jerry. Yeah. Powerpuff Girls, yan, Meow Meow. Yep,
Cuter than I thought.
for 3 tokens, huh?
I don't think so.
Yeah, so dito yung mga anime stuff. Jojo Bizarre, My Hero, Dandadan. Yeah. Let's move. Okay, there's the One Piece.
Pokemon One Piece.
Yep. Yung mga Devil Fruits. Ayos ah. Let's just finish this side.
So, kind of said that.
Superman comics. Baka naman yan. Oh my gosh, here we go again. It's very good to see you guys. My favorite spot. Yeah. Gusto ko rin to eh. 15 tokens next time. Oh, it's Mewtwo. Oh my gosh.
Top 10.
Oh my gosh. May Shinchan din doon. I'm so amazed. Paborito ko talaga to. Tsaka yun na doon sa likod, yung spot doon, yung mga Beatles, no? Ay, ito. Ito yung gusto ko rin. Basta tingnan mo. Fox.
RK Fox.
Yeah.
Yo, look, it's shining.
Yeah. Parang hindi ko napansin to before. So, bago to. May TV sila. Oh my gosh. Bago ba yan? Turtle. So, meron pang ano dito. Mga Gundam. Zelda. Yep. Kamen Rider, I think. So, dito, Demon Slayer. Okay. Oh yeah, guys. So, may table nga pala sila dito. Hindi ko napansin before kung meron. Pero, ayun. So, dito, yeah. Keychains, mostly. Cute din ito.
Godzilla.
You found Godzilla? Gojira?
Godzilla. Godzilla.
Tingnan nyo guys, oh. Ang dami na. So may dandadan pa dito and yeah. Okay guys, so ito nga yung favorite spot ko, kung naalala nyo. And definitely may nagbago dito. Kasi nandito yung frog statue, yung para mga Buddha. Dito yun. Nagbago, so may Monster Hunter na din sila. Oh, the gecko. Oh boy. Where? Oh yeah, that's Godzilla for sure. It's a Godzilla, yeah.
More Godzilla.
It's a Godzilla -1.
Look at the fish. Look at the fish. Look at the fish.
I guess bago din to.
Fish.
Fish? Yeah.
Sharks.
It's cool, but look at the crabs though. Yeah, maybe you spin on this one, Baste.
Yeah, sure.
I wish you get this one though.
Crocodile.
It's Crocodile Lucky.
It's the one that's strong.
Oh, Gintama. This is one of my favorite anime. Huwag kang mag-sit sa floor, ah. Oh, yung C2.
Okay, let's see the outscroll.
Oh, yes. Nakita ko na to before dito. So, ayun yung nandun sa harapan, yung parang pwede ka mag-picture-picture. But, yeah, look at that.
Wait, shark guy. Shark guy. Armor.
Wait. So, dito, mga anime din. And some stuff going on, like keyboard. There's also drums, if you want.
Look at armor. The great armor.
Sa tingin ko, ito yung location na isa sa mga pinaka-busiest gashapon shop.
You again?
I just don't remember, but maybe. Dr. Stone. Okay guys, so ayun na yun. At magsispin kami. Tig isang spin, parehong Beetle. Let's go. Excuse me po. 10 tokens po. Idagdag ko din po yung gamit ko last time na 2 tokens. Okay guys, so kung naalala nyo, may natira akong 2 tokens dito last time. So dinagdag ko na dito yan. Alright, Baste, here's your token. And gusto niya mag-spin dito dahil sinabi ko. Nakuha ko to dati. First time ko dito nun. Let's go. So 5 tokens yan. All right, spin it.
I still have one.
Oh, this last one?
Go.
No, the other way. The other way. Yeah, boy. There you go. Let me see. We're gonna open this at home. Oh boy,
What?
this one's. This one looks I think it's this one or maybe this one. This one. Oh boy,
Oh boy.
that's cool.
Alright.
Okay guys, so nagdala na rin ako ng bag para hindi siya nakasiksik sa aking bag. Okay.
This one.
Okay guys, so dito ako mag-spin. So 7 tokens. So tamang-tama, magagamit ko yung 2 tokens na natira ko last time.
I think that's one.
Grabe guys, 3 na lang natitira dito. Next time, hopefully meron pa. Dahil ang budget natin ngayon ay pang 2 spins lang. So I'm going for that one. Okay guys, so medyo nagbago yung isip ko kasi di ako makapili kung ito, or cicada. Mga big cicada, kuliglig.
That's
Check nyo
50.
to guys, ang ganda rin nito. So next time, babalikan ko to. And that one, pero 4 na lang dito. Di ko alam kung mag-restock sila niyan or what. Nah. Yeah, let's go with this one. Okay guys, so ganito pala, pag sa 7 tokens, di ba merong slot dito? So 2 sa left, 5 sa right. Okay? Yep. 2 on the left and 5 on the right. Yep, you got it? You got it? So that's why I'm gonna ask later how about if it's like 15 tokens, maybe like 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. You got it? There you go.
See?
Let me see.
It's also
Oh,
like,
it's a huge capsule.
it's heavy.
Yeah, sort of. Siguro pagka 15 tokens, no? So, diretsong 15 tokens because isa lang yung slot. Hindi katulad nito. See? Katulad doon, 7. Katulad dito, di ba? Okay. That's it for today. Okay guys, so ayan na muna sa ngayon. Parang Roger out. And thank you for watching. Alright, say cheese. Oh wait, it's on video.